What's up guys? In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create a professional looking 3D monogram logo using Canva and AI. This is a great option if you're creating a logo for your business, personal brand, YouTube channel, or social media page. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple logo in Canva that you can transform into a realistic 3D using AI. Let's get started. First, open Canva and sign in to your account. Once you're on the home page, use the search bar and type logo. Canva will display hundreds of logo templates, but instead of using a ready-made design, click a create a blank logo so you can build your own from scratch. Now, let's create the monogram. Go to the text section and add a heading. Type the first letter of your brand or business name. In this example, I'll use the letter M, but you can use any letter you want. Next, change the font. If the Gotham font is available in your Canva account, select it and choose the bold version. If not, you can use any bold, clean font with a similar style. The goal is to create a logo that's simple, readable, and professional. Resize the letter until it fills a good portion of the canvas. Now, duplicate the text and replace it with another letter. For this example, I'll use the letter D. Position both letters so they slightly overlap each other. This creates what's called a monogram logo, where two or more initials are combined into a single design. To make the overlap cleaner, go to Elements and search for a rectangle. Add a simple rectangle and change its color to white so it blends with the background. Resize and position it between the letters to hide the overlapping section. This small trick creates a much cleaner and more professional looking logo. Once you're happy with the result, select all the elements and click Group. Grouping your design makes it easier to move and resize everything without accidentally changing the layout. Now, let's add your brand name. Go to text and add a subheading. Replace the sample text with your business or brand name. If you want a cleaner and more premium appearance, you can change the text to uppercase and choose a font that matches the style of your monogram. If your business has a slogan or a tagline, you can place it underneath the brand using a smaller font size. Just remember to keep everything aligned and evenly spaced for a more balanced design. At this point, your logo is complete, but it's still a flat design. Now let's use AI to turn it into a realistic 3D logo. Click Share, then Download. If you have a Canva account, you can enable transparent background to remove the white background from your logo. This actually works if you have a Canva Pro. This usually gives AI image generator better results. If you're using a free version of Canva, you can simply download it as a PNG with the background included. Next, open Gemini in a new browser. Upload the logo you just downloaded. Then paste your AI prompt describing the type of 3D logo you want. For example, you can ask Gemini to transform flat monogram into a realistic metallic 3D logo with premium lighting and reflections. AI may generate different results each time, so don't worry if the first version isn't exactly what you imagined. You can always edit your prompt by changing the color, material, lighting, or background until you're happy with the final design. This is one of the biggest advantages of AI. It allows you to quickly experiment with different style without redesigning your logo from scratch. If you want another option, you can upload the same logo to Grok AI or another AI image generator that supports image editing. The process is very similar. Upload your logo, enter your prompt, and wait for a few moments while the AI creates a new version. Once your favorite version has been generated, simply download the final image to your computer. Before using your logo on your website or social media, take a moment to review the logo. Make sure the letters are still easy to read and that the 3D effects don't make the design look too busy. A professional logo should always remain simple, recognizable, and easy to identify, even at smaller sizes. And that's it. You've successfully created a 3D monogram logo using Canva and AI. With just a simple flat design and the help of AI, you can create logos that look much more polished without needing advanced graphic design skills. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.